Hey guys, we're gonna do Bicycle Bell for this next video, I guess. Hope you guys like it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Roblox gameplay. Check out my next video. It was Among Us and Roblox. And for that video, I'm sorry for the blur. It just got blurred out for some reason. I don't know why. And for the lag. Yes. Yeah, guys, that is going to be it for this one. I put this one really short because I guess there's nothing to it. So yeah, sorry headphone users for all these sounds that I'm going to be doing. Yeah. So have fun. Make sure to like and subscribe. And see you guys into the booze.